What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and that's a heavy electrical switchboard. And in today's video I'm going to show you the connections for this one. So for heavy electrical you need like 16 ampere of switch and plug 2, and you need to use MCB for the safety. So this is kind of old one, but just to show you. But nowadays you'll get modular switches and plug points in small in size like that. So this is the old one, just to show you the connection. So MCB, then switch, then plug point, like that. The incoming phase will come to this MCB in, and from MCB out it will go to the switch, and from there switch it will go to the plug point, the phase, and negative and earthing will directly come to this 2 point here. Very simple. So here you can see 3 wires are there, all of same color. So now let's make it the phase line, which will go here to the MCB. That one make it the earthing, and this one make it the neutral. So that is very easy. The earthing and the neutral will go directly to the plug point, and now the phase is connected to the MCB right there, and from top here it will go to the switchboard. So let's use this wire. All right, now let's connect this thing. All right, so phase line to the MCB, and from here to the switch, and from the switch so that's it, from the MCB to the switch, and from there to this plug point. So now let's check this thing out. Okay, that's the earthing, and that's the phase, and this one is the neutral. So let's connect here. So that's it. Now let's turn it on, the MCB. All right, now let's check it out. So there you can see the AC input voltage coming to this switch, and that's off. So now let me turn the switch on, and now you can see the voltage to the plug point. So that's it. Pretty simple connections, and that's how you can make a switchboard for heavy electricals with the safety. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.